welcome back to our studies on the test of orals, and then we are still classifying how we can answer questions that arise from vowel sounds. And the year we are looking at on the JAMB Questions is year 20,000, year 2000, forgive me. So we have questions 26 to 30 to analyze, 31 to 32, 33 to 36, and 37 to 38. And we begin. We have them, some of them here on the board already. So we shall begin with the first one, which is 26. The word written is B-O-A-T, pronounced as boat, and transcribed thus. We have it as this. So we begin with our transcription, so we'll be able to get to know the actual vowel sound we're talking about and how to get the right option. The options we have here from A to D are option A, board, transcribed as long O sound for the first one. So in option B we have bolt, also long O sound. In C we have go, O sound, that is a diphthong. And then in D we have glory. So if we go through these options, we'll be able to see that the only option that meets our requirement or has the same vowel sound as the one in option, the main word here, both, is option C, because it has the O sound. That is why it's the correct answer. Let's transcribe the first ones. All the options that are here completely. Maybe if we don't have time, we'll not be able to transcribe with us, but if we do have time, we'll do that. So we take number one, that is option A, board as, that's all, board. So simple. Go as go. Glory as glory. Okay, we come to question number 27. And the word we have there is air. So we underline all of the letters there. We transcribe as this. This is a diphthong. We can start from the last one. We take iron. This is a diphthong. Iron, that is fire. If you like, we put the R. In the C option, we have here. This is a diphthong. Here. In B option, we have her. This is the long S sound. And then in the A option, we have air. So from the options, we can see clearly that the right option is A, because it has the same vowel sound as air in number 27. So we go to number 28. We have the word pleasure, transcribed as pleasure. So the sound on the line is E, the short S sound. Pleasure. So we now have in options A to D, which one will meet the same sound, or will have the same sound as E? We take the first one, option A, which is pliable. This is pliable here. Then there is no other vowel sound. Pleats, long E sound. Plenary. This may have this here. Then jeopardy. If we look through, the only one that has the sound is jeopardy, because we have the short A sound in the word when we pronounce it. So it's the right option. We pronounce the words pliable, pleats, plenary, and jeopardy. We're back. So in number 29, we have thunder. The word thunder is transcribed and this is the word underlined. This is the sound underlined. Silent R sound. In this word we have re and fur. Long S sound. Here we have short E sound. Silent R sound. Here we have silent R sound. And long S sound. Here we have short E sound and long S sound. We are going to look at this question critically in order to get the right option. The word here is thunder, and as transcribed we have the sound, silent O sound, the sound, silent R sound. So in this word we have in option A, refer, it's out of it. Option B has the sound. But the same thing also occurs in option C. So in actual sense, options A and B are correct. It should be a typing error. So in number 30, we have the word tear, and we have N there, showing that it's a noun. The word tear is complex somehow, in that it can be transcribed in two ways. When it's a verb, we transcribe it as tear, with an R there. We transcribe it as tear. And then when it's a noun, as in the one given, we transcribe it as tear. Tear. So the one we are given here is tear. Therefore, we have here in option A, there. In option B, care. In option C, here. And in option D, where. So all of these can take R if we wish. Checking critically, it's option C that has the same vowel sound as the one given in number 30, and that makes it our correct answer. So that is the end of our today's class under the vowel sounds. Revisiting or rehearsing past questions, JAMB past questions under our vowel sounds. We are going straight into the consonant sounds, and we're going to look at Only 2 questions for today because of our timing, so that next time we can have ample time to review a variety of questions under the consonant sounds. We are only going to take year 2000 of JAMB questions, year 2000 questions 31 and 32. So we start with 31. The word we have here is thoughts, transcribed as given here, thoughts. Simple. Then here we have theater. Theater. Oh, we are not transcribing the vowel sounds, forgive me. So we have th and t. Here we have t and t. That is thoughts. Here we have war and the. Here we have f and t. I want to give full transcription after we have chosen the right answer. Remember, the underlined range of letters is TH, which gives us th. And from the options, D does not have the th sound. Rather, we have f and t as the consonant sounds. Then C does not have the sound. We have w and the sound. This is the sound. Then B does not have the sound. What we have here is t all through. And then in A we have the sound. So theater. That gives us the answer we're looking for. In further transcription we have theater. This is fate. Fate. So this is theater, thoughts, weather, and fate. Number 32, where we are going to stop for today, we have caliph, transcribed as and the underlined sound is f. So we have in option A, br, that is presently. So br, z, n, t. But these are the consonants that are here. We have T. So if we check, the sound we are given is, and the only word that has it, the only option that has it is C. That makes it the correct answer. If we give the full transcription, we take O, opponent. Perhaps. And presently. Presently. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we bring our class for today to a close. I At this point, urge you once again to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Noble High YouTube Class.